Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy peach cobbler with canned peaches. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large cans of sliced peaches, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple recipe uses common pantry items, making it perfect for a quick dessert. Once your butter is melted in the baking dish, set it aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk until smooth. This creates a simple, delicious batter. Carefully pour this batter over the melted butter in your dish. Finally, evenly distribute the 2 cans of drained peaches over the batter. Do not stir them in. Place your assembled cobbler into the preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes, or until the top is a beautiful golden brown and bubbly. The batter will magically rise through the peaches, forming a delicious, cake-like crust. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This easy peach cobbler is best served warm, perhaps with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream. It's a comforting dessert perfect for any occasion. If you have any leftovers, simply cover them and refrigerate for up to 3 days. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying features, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade cobbler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.